Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is on learning of choice model with interactive attributes. Let me see the abstract. Introduction, recent advance in the machine learning techniques to state-of-the-art discrete choice model. We develop an approach to infer the unique and complex decision-making process of a decision maker, which is characterized by the TMS peculiarities and attitudinal character, along with the attribute interactions, to name a few, on the basis of explanatory preference information in the form of a pairwise comparisons of alternatives. Our method seeks to induce a TMS preference model in terms of the parameters of recent discrete choice models. To this end, we reduce our learning function to a constrained non-linear optimization problem. Our learning approach is a simple one that takes into consideration the interaction among the attribute along with the peculiarities and the unique attitudinal character of a TM. The experimental result and standard benchmark dataset suggest that our approach is not only individually appealing and easily interpretable, but also competitive to stay of the art method. Let me see the flow diagram in our process. Then start the process. User registration. Go to the user registration to store the data in database. Another process is login. User log on to successfully to view the learning process. Learning process is categorized as some subject available in our process. To learn the particular subject, to choose that. Then another process is admin. Admin go to login and to view the user details to retrieve in database. Then stop the process. Let me see the run our process. To go to the cookie page, admin login and user login, to choose the admin. Then to provide in our username and password, and go to the submit button. Valid user only access the another process. Admin log on to the view the user details. The name, address, gender, contact number, username and password. Other processes, go to the user login. Then already registered the user only access this page. Then go to the submit button. New user, to click here. Then to provide a name, address, gender, male or female, then contact number and username, and password. Inserted successfully. Another, go to the login, then user login, to put the username and password and to click the submit button. Valid user only view that learning pages. Then 4 type of language available in my tutorial. Then .NET, PHP, Android and Java. So to go to the .NET link, to provide a lot of courses available here. Microsoft .NET, to provide ASP, then classic ASP. ASP means active server page language. ASP related informations appear in that page. Then next, ASP.NET MVC tutorial. MVC is the advanced one type of advanced in .NET. MVC means model view controller. Then ASP.NET is a development framework. Then another process is ASP.NET Server Control. Server means web server control, HTML server controls, then validation server controls, all process learned that in .NET. And last one is to specify the record to retrieve from the database. How to store in record and how to retrieve the database in our process. Then how to the process, lot of language displayed here. Then PHP, to go to the PHP home page, then to link the learning of choice model, then choice in PHP 5 introduction. BSP is one of the script language. Before you continue back understanding of the following: HTML, CSS and JavaScript also. Then another process, PHP 5 while loops. PHP while loops about block of code, which is the specified condition in true. Then PHP 5 variables are concerns from storing information, creating declaration PHP. Then another process is PHP file while looping also. Then Android is one of the popular language. Then how to learn Android in our process. So Android, what is contracting with growth. Then another type of Android and our compiler, and learn the process. Then Android developer, to go to the lot of languages here. And then another process is Java. And then Java is a learning process. So about Java is one of the object-oriented programming languages. OOPS means then class object. Lot of languages available here. Then another process is Java compiler. All language to available in compiler. Then Java compiler is many large time of other compare the languages. Then object-oriented programming language. Then object-oriented, we have don't used on object-oriented language before. Structure of Java class 6.8. Then the process is end.